Once step 2 has been completed and the appliance has been created in EC2, we will have to retrieve the Windows administrator password. On the first time, this can take up to 15 minutes for the password to be available. We generally allow 5 minutes before checking. We will use the key pair chosen in the CloudFormation template to decrypt the password for the administrator. Once the password is retrieved, we need to RDP onto the appliance from a computer that has network connectivity. We will connect with the default Windows user, which is administrator. If we attempt to start configuring the appliance without joining it to the domain, the setup process will advise that the box needs to be joined to the domain first before configuration can continue. To join the appliance onto the domain, we will follow the Microsoft standard best practice to join a machine to a domain. Normally, this PC, properties icon, adding the information of our domain. The appliance needs to have DNS resolution for the domain in question. Once you have joined the appliance to your Active Directory, it will now require a reboot. Once restarted, we must connect to the appliance with a user that is a member of the local administrators group. After the first login, it may take a few seconds updating all policies. To start the configuration of the appliance, we will point our browser to http://localhost. There will be a slight delay of a couple of minutes to initialize the database and present the setup wizard. We will now need to populate the following fields: license key, which we showed you how to retrieve in step 1, AD service account, AD password, AD NetBIOS name, AD FQDN, AD default user OU, AWS account, and default AWS region. This is set to Ireland by default. All these values can be changed later on once the appliance is installed. Once we click on Save, the appliance will display its version and become operational. The appliance will start to make the API calls required to populate the appliance, and for the first time, this may take up to 24 hours for you to receive the complete picture of your WorkSpaces estate.